Can't find repost option on Instagram? Here's how to fix it. First, you'll need to update your Instagram. So, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now, search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, the option might be available. Next thing you want to do is switch to professional account. For that, launch your Instagram, navigate to your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Now here you're going to find a different section. Scroll down. Navigate to the section for professionals and click on the option account type in tools. Click on the option switch to professional account and go through the process. Follow the steps and select any category like digital creator. This unlocks the repost section. With this, the feature might be available. If the solution didn't work out for you, Instagram repost feature is rolling out slowly. It may not be available in all regions or accounts yet. If you don't see it even after updating, just wait, it's coming. Or also you can reach out to the Instagram customer support team. For that, click on the option help, click on report a problem, click on report problem without shaking, click on don't include, and here you can explain that repost option is not available in your account and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. That's it. This is how you can fix the missing repost option on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.